What if all this was a little lie? What if all my sins never met a guy?
Yo guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be taking Wago to a car meet, but first we got to go and get some video stuff at Rev Hard Motors. Rev Hard Motors is basically a dealership for car enthusiasts. They provide guys with a lot of like right-hand drive cars, like GTRs, a lot of imported stuff. So we're going to go over there and get some footage. And I'm sad about this thing right here. The Prelude is down right now, guys. It has something going on with it. I don't know whether it's going to be electrical or mechanical, but it's basically, I don't know. Preludes are a little bit finicky when they start having issues, but I'm gonna have to dive into that thing and get that sorted because I really do miss driving that thing. I plan on getting some new suspension for the wagon. Before I do any like turbo stuff and go faster, I definitely want to get some better suspension on this thing. And I also need to replace, I think the tie rod ends are a little bit worn because the steering is a little funny. So yeah, I want to be able to steer straight before I put any more power down. I'm at Rev Hard now. We just finished up some video work. I'm gonna show you guys a few of the cars around here. We got Mario here with me.
What's going on, guys?
You guys know the man. But yeah, Josh and Rev Hard have some really cool cars, so let's walk around a little bit. If you guys don't know what this is, then shame on you. But this is like Dream Daily Mobile. We got a Nissan Stagia here, basically an R34 wagon. Super cool. Got an R32 right here. Looking phenomenal. Ooh, man.
What up, G? It's your boy Phil.
You guys know the man.
Subscribe, Carfresh TV.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
What a lovely day.
This is the front end right here. Ooh, carbon fiber hood. Sheesh. Got an Evo here. Super clean. We just interviewed this guy right here. Super clean Subaru. You guys will probably see that interview video later on. Yo, Mario, what's your favorite car in here?
He don't have a favorite car.
I do have a
No, you don't.
What do you mean, bro? My favorite car is yours. It's not in here, but it's his.
I don't have a favorite car, so that's why he don't got a favorite car.
Look at that flattery.
I'm just like, the R32 right there is pretty nice.
This thing, yeah, this thing is sweet, man.
Right-hand drive.
Super clean. Cannot go wrong.
Good. I like it.
Jeez, I can see you in it too, okay.
Stop playing with me.
Hey, tell this man Mario to get an R32 or something.
R32, dog. Big guy. Subscribe to Carfresh TV. Y'all keep playing.
Look at this man with this shameless plugs, man. But as you guys can see, that's just a few cars that Josh has here at Rev Hard. He has like a whole nother shop with some other stuff too, which is super sweet. But we basically finished up here what we need to do, so we're about to head to the meet now. So see you guys there. look at that. We got a Prelude. Sick. No plates though. And it's driven by a chick. Yo, so we made it to our last location here. We're on a rooftop here right now. We met up with some other car guys. You see we got a 2020 Supra, WRX, good old Wago. We got Ernesto's turbo diesel Beamer. We got Phil and the boy here. And yeah, I guess we're just having a little photo shoot, which is super sick. We got some pretty dope cars.
Would you be prepared? Would you be surprised?
Yo guys, so I just been snapping a couple pics. This WRX right here is fire, man. You guys can barely tell on camera, but I think it's a wrap. It looks like a matte color. What do you think? What kind of color would you say that is, Ernesto? You said like a
clay?
Like a rose gold?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
That's just
that is kind of like a rose gold. Yeah, this thing is sweet, man. She WRX. I assume that it's lady driven. Oh, her gram's on the window? Yeah, I guess you guys can follow her on the gram there. She WRX CO _. But nah, this thing is sweet, man. Super cool. I always love meeting at these little like rooftop spots and getting some cool photos. That 2020 Supra is really sick too. Well guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Sorry, this vlog has kind of been all over the place. It's over the course of a few days, so yeah. It was a pretty enjoyable day though. I really enjoy like cruising around with people, meeting new car guys, and checking out super cool cars up here on this rooftop. So if you guys watched all the way through the video, I really appreciate it. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to see more. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
But if all this